Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable screen record with internal audio on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, it is really easy. Simply swipe to the downside to launch the quick settings. Now find screen recorder. If it doesn't pop out, you can click the customization button and you can add it manually. Then simply click on it, select do you want to record a single app or the entire screen, and enable to record the audio, and select device audio. It will record the sound from your device like music, calls and ringtones. And then click on start recording. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.